Number 17, Lot S44 is a 1970 Pontiac GTO convertible with a 400 cubic inch V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and factory air conditioning. And it sold for $44,000 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 53,174 miles. And exterior color is Granada Gold. Interior color is Saddle. And the highlights are 400 cubic inch V8 engine, turbo 400 automatic transmission, factory color combination of Granada Gold with saddle interior and white convertible top, factory air conditioning, power steering, power front disc brakes, power top, original AM radio, Pontiac Rally wheels, bucket seats and console, remote mirror, and factory cruise control. And this one had quite a few options on it and was pretty rare color combination. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.